Guyana Cricket Board Secretary Ananda Sanasi plans to challenge Ricky Skerritt for the presidency of Cricket West Indies on March 28 when the elections are due. However, for the incumbents, it's not surprising as they believe there's a bigger intention behind this new development. More in this report.
A day before nominations are closed for the presidential slots at Cricket West Indies, ahead of next month's elections, long-serving Guyana Cricket Board Secretary Anand Sanasi confirmed with TVJ Sports that he has the backing of Guyana and Barbados to challenge President Ricky Skerritt and his deputy, Dr. Kishore Shallow.
Yes, I can confirm the two full members have put up my nominations for the presidency of Cricket West Indies, and I've taken it up. Later this evening, I'll be issuing a statement.
Skerritt and Shallow are seeking a second term after defeating Jamaican Dave Cameron and Emmanuel Nanthan by 8 votes to 4 in 2019. However, Shallow says he's not surprised by the intent shown by Sanasi.
No worries for me whatsoever. I don't think President Skerritt has any concern either. I mean, we don't own West Indies cricket, you know, and if anyone wants to challenge, there's a process, a democratic process, which we welcome. So there's absolutely no issue with anyone who, you know, desires to challenge us one way or the next. You know, that's just part of the whole democratic process, and, you know, we look forward to it, if anything.
Sanasi has confidence in his own resume to challenge Skerritt and will have Barbados Cricket Association Vice President Calvin Hope as his running mate.
I've been a director for 10 years, and I've been the secretary and CEO of the Guyana Cricket Board and the Guyana Jaguar franchise for the same period. I don't see any issues there.
For Shallow, the latest developments could be bigger than what's on the surface.
I said I won't be surprised if, you know, Mr. Cameron is behind their campaign.
The CWI election will be held on March 28. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.